Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like wine, if you like mead, and you like cider, and you want to learn how to make it yourself, well, this is the place for you. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new video and a new wine. Today I will show you that I'm getting ready for fall and making a little wine sipping area for me and my wife as the colder temperatures move on in. We're getting ready, and I'm going to show you my new fire pit that's almost complete. I just ran out of gas. I can't finish it today, so stay tuned. Like I said, fall is approaching. It's a month or so away, even though it don't get real cold here in Georgia until about November. But we're getting ready for that colder weather and building a fire pit. I need one more rock. I just got to move it over here. Like I said in the intro, I ran out of gas. So this is solid granite, and I got to fill this in more once I get that other rock right here in. And I'll be building a couple of Adirondack chairs and a little wine table to sit and enjoy the sunset and the moonlight, sipping some homemade wine with my wife and with a roaring fire. These were very hard to move. They're probably 100 and something pounds, or 100 to 150 pounds a piece. And of course I didn't tote them, I rolled them. So we are near the second largest uncovered granite in Georgia. So we have rocks everywhere, granite rocks. So we will be filling this in, and maybe we'll have some fun times. So that is my almost completed fire pit that I will be enjoying with my wife this fall. And if you like any of these videos that I do, want to learn how to make wine, and you want to learn how to make mead and ciders, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new one. And please join my Facebook group so we can build a community, chit chat, whatever. This is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today. I'm tired.